So firstly we will need an ISO file which we want to burn. You maybe can create your own from your previous DVD, but then there is no real point of creating a new bootable DVD. So maybe you found it on the Internet Archive, as I did, and now you have the ISO and you want to create a bootable device, and you tried a USB drive and that doesn't work, and I will show you the error message which I get. I will drag and drop, and it says missing partition table. The image does not appear to contain a partition table and might not be recognized or bootable by your device. And this is a problem of most of these ISO files which are created from DVDs, and you just can't use them to create a bootable USBs. And the option in my case would be to download the ISO file which is for bootable USBs. So that would be from the Microsoft website, but Microsoft doesn't support Windows 7 anymore, so I am out of luck now. And it's better than looking for a bootable ISO for the flash drive to just create the bootable DVD. And also other utilities like Bootcamp and other utilities, they also can't create the bootable USB from this ISO, and trust me, I tried a lot. Maybe you can find different approaches on the internet how to create a bootable DVD of a Windows 7, but I tried different and they didn't work, so I will show you the one which actually worked. So firstly, I will need to mount the ISO file, and I will just need the name of the ISO file. So I will click with the right click and I will find copy. I don't need this. Now we will go to disk utility. So that's Launchpad, others. I have Unites in Czech, but there will be others. And you find disk utility here. Now we will go to images, convert, and there is the ISO file on the desktop. Maybe you have it somewhere else, but you can just drag and drop and it will automatically find the path. Choose. Now I will change the name, so I will do Command V to paste the name which I copied just before, and there is this volume, so it's the path, and I will delete the part before, so I have just the name. Go, and here that's the important step, image format DVD CD master. Click on that. So that's the .cdr, and convert. Now it can take maybe half a minute. Done. And we don't need disk utility anymore. So here is our new file, and we will burn it. So that's right click and burn disk image to disk. So I inserted a DVD in my DVD drive, and I will leave this checked or verify burn data, and I can click burn. So I have one bootable DVD now, so I don't need another one, but you would just click burn. Also, you can find on the internet that you need the original Apple DVD drive. I use the cheapest verbatim, which is not an original drive, and it works as well. And the disk, that's a DVD uh, plus R, 4.7 gigabytes, and that works just fine. So now you can just click burn, and the DVD is burned. And just do you see that it's actually working? This is my iMac with fresh installation of Windows 7, and yeah, it worked fine. And just that it's not an image on a wallpaper or something like that, I can try and show you an application that it works. Yeah, it's normal Windows 7.